Explanation. We see angles between the ground and the slide. The ladder makes an angle with the ground. We see angles between the tree trunk and its branches. There is an angle between the electric pole and the ground. In our surroundings, wherever we see two lines meeting, there is an angle. 1. Different types of angles. A. Right angle. B. Acute angle. C. An obtuse angle. Types of angles. Right angle. In the picture alongside, there is a right angle between the two blades of the scissors. Acute angle. As we reduce the distance between the tips of the blades, little by little, the angle between the blades grows smaller than a right angle. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. Obtuse angle. As we increase the distance between the tips of the blades, the angle between the blades grows bigger than a right angle. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Circle. Center, radius, diameter, chord. Take a small steel bowl, place it upside down on a piece of paper, and trace its outline. Remove the bowl. The figure you get on the piece of paper is a circle. Draw 2 or 3 circles like this one and cut out the circular paper shapes. Take one of these shapes and fold it as shown in the picture. Trace the line of the fold with a pencil. This line is called a chord of the circle. Now fold another circular shape to divide it into 2 halves. Trace the line of the fold with a pencil. This line is called the diameter of the circle. The diameter too is a chord of the circle. Now fold the shape again so that we get a quarter part of the shape. Unfold the paper shape. Now you see the circular shape again. Trace the lines of the folds. The point at which these lines meet each other is the center of the circle. Name the center of the circle, M. Take any paint, P, on the circle. Draw the line MP with your ruler. MP is a radius of the circle. Drawing a circle using a compass, take a piece of paper. Choose any point near the middle of the paper. Take a suitable distance between the steel tip of the compass and the tip of the pencil. Place the steel tip on the chosen point. Hold it in place and turn the pencil tip around it to trace a circle. Mark with a red pencil the point at which you held the steel tip. Now cut out the circle. Fold it twice as before to obtain 2 diameters of the circle. Observe that these 2 diameters meet at the red point. It means that the red point is the center of the circle. Geometrical figures, vertex and side. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 edges, that is, 4 sides. The point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. In the figure alongside, A, B, C and D are the vertices. Square. A square has 4 vertices and 4 sides. In the figure alongside, P, N, R and S are the vertices of the square. All the sides of a square are of equal length and all its angles are right angles. Triangle. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. Y, R and L are the vertices of this triangle. YR, RL and YL are the 3 sides of the triangle. A triangle has 3 angles.